Got no roots in the Delta. I got muscle souls, left my spirit in me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we are going to be working on just a custom bar. Basically this wall and behind me. We're going to be putting some lower cabinets in here, and then we're going to be finishing up with a little bit of wine storage, some door cabinets on each side, and some floating shelves that we're going to be putting across here.
Even Donnie needs a step ladder.
So on that note, we're going to just show you the how-to with leveling all these cabinets up, putting the fillers in, putting all the panels in, putting every single piece in. You're going to see how to and watch this custom bar come to life. On that note, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and enjoy.
Call me the prospector, ain't no bone collector, chasing that carry like a rabbit down low. Ain't no green creature, just a yellow preacher.
We have our scribing tool here, if you can see it. And we are putting our filler in, so we're putting this in at 1.25 inches because that's where we want our filler. And I'm just going to draw my line, and you can see over here once I start drawing my line.
Trade a couple grains for a saddle, few more for a haul. You can hear that rattlesnake, the wolf is at the door. Digging through the mound, breathing in the black, through the valley of the high school. Just pray I make it back. The trail to hell to heaven, and the Bible is Poor Richard's almanac. Call me the prospector, ain't no bone collector, chasing that carry like a rabbit down low.
Got our filler cut to size, it's perfectly fit to the wall, and now it's time to just pop it in. And then once we pop it in, we're going to screw this cabinet to the wall. Guys, so now we're on to the sink cabinet. So I have just circled where the plumbing is going to be. There is one electrical wire that is coming through here and 2 water lines that are going to come through the square hole. So I am going to cut all these holes, starting off with the hole saw for the drain. knots are wrapped. Get all the lowers in. All nice and level. And now we're ready for the top cabinets. So we will start on those next, and I'll show you exactly how I put the top cabinets in and all the other things. All right.
Never learned how to crawl, but I learned how to walk.
So we're back, and we're just starting to put the uppers in. So we got our first cabinet up. It's going to be the wine holder with 2 drawers in below, and we're just lining it up with the bulkhead above me here. And we got the filler cut, and we're gonna put it in place and then start working on our next cabinet.
Asking only do that for so long, but I still got the fire. I'm a midnight flyer with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stuck to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. Well, I burned a lot of bridges and I crossed more lines than anyone that I know. And I paid my dues and planted them seeds, and I'm reaping now what I sowed. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stuck to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own.
Even Donnie needs a step ladder. Stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stood to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. Yeah. No, 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 no. She crazy, I like it. Get it under my skin, baby, let me tuck you in. Put you to sleep right, persuasive, enticing. Burn your body like a match, pop like a black cat, light up the whole night. Every time my baby come around me, she can't come and get it. Put her down like Paris, that's grounded. Have you seen
couple nails. Nailer. Cut. So we're kind of finishing up. We've got the top pieces all put in. Now we're just going down to the toe kick here. And how we put the toe kick on is just this piece, which I'm pulling out here. And you can see it's got 2 holes for screws. And on the back side, it's got this arch that when you push the toe kick on, it wraps around the leg and holds it on there. So if you ever have to pull the toe kick off, it just pops off easy. So we're gonna put these on and put the toe kick on, and that's it for the base.
Got no roots in the Delta, I got muscle soul, left my spirit in the Midwest, Cleveland, Ohio, rushing out to California, 49 of mine and 4 that go. With a pickaxe and a hammer, holes in both my shoes, left my loving red Atlanta, slipped out of that news, hitched up to the wagon, 'cause I ain't no ball and chain gang.
Alright everyone, so that is a wrap on part 1 of this custom bar install. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button because you are not going to want to miss next week's episode. See ya.